Having trouble with your Soundcore K20i? Maybe it's not connecting or acting weird? Don't worry, a quick factory reset can fix most issues. Let's see the correct way to hard reset your K20i. First, make sure your earbuds are not connected to any other device. If they are, go to that device, disconnect them, and turn Bluetooth off. Now, on your phone, go to Bluetooth settings, and tap Forget Device or Unpair. This clears any old connection conflicts. If they still won't pair, put the earbuds back in the case and charge them for about 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes, low battery is the real reason they don't show up. Now, take both earbuds out of the case. Press and hold the touch area on both earbuds at the same time. Keep holding for about 8 to 10 seconds until you see a reset response or LED flash. That means the reset is complete. Now, place both earbuds back into the case, close the lid and wait about 10 seconds. Then, open the case again and take them out. They should now enter pairing mode automatically. Go to your phone, select Soundcore K20i, and tap Pair. And that's it. Your earbuds are reset and ready to connect like new. In most cases, this fixes all pairing issues instantly. Thanks for watching Fix 369.